This is Mark Kavanaugh for Cavi Coaches, and today I'm going to coach you up on how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. So we're going to learn how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to navigate to the classwork page, click on Create, and click on Assignment. When you click on Assignment, it's going to open up this full screen window, and we're going to give this a title. We're going to call it the Buggy Lab Report. So this is the first lab report that I do in my class. You can give optional instructions. Sometimes when I have a lab write-up that's not as intense as a lab report, I might type some instructions. Let's look at the options that we have. So I can select different class periods. So if I want this assignment to go across multiple class periods, I can do that. I can change the students that are assigned to this topic. I can change the point value. I can give this a due date and pick a date and a time, and I can pick a topic from the list that I created a topic. So look at my video on creating topics. You can also click a rubric, and you can check for plagiarism given an originality report. The thing with this, though, is that you want to use this sparingly, because with the free G Suite account for your school, you only get 3 plagiarism checks. You're going to have to get G Suite for Enterprise for you to get an unlimited amount of originality reports. So we're going to go ahead and give this a due date and time. So I'm going to select, I like to make my lab reports due on a Sunday night. I like to make it due at 10:01. 10:01 because 10 p.m. Google makes 10 o'clock a late if it's due at 10. So I make it at 10:01. So if the kids turn it at 10, it's not considered late. And I like 10:01 because students are going to stay up till midnight for other classes, but not mine. So you can also create a rubric. The rubric you can create, you can add criteria, different point levels. If you don't already have a checklist or a rubric already approved or used, you can also use this if you're a rubric grading system. You can create different levels and assign point values to those levels based on the level that the student gets to. So I have a rubric already created for this assignment. So I'm going to go into Add, and I'm going to select from my Google Drive the assignment that I have. And if you recently edited it, it should be on the very top because it defaults to recent uses. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Buggy Lab Report, and you can see that is attached now. You have options for students can view file, students can edit file. This one would be if you're having the students work on a shared document as a class. Otherwise, I would just make a copy for each student. And what this does is it makes a copy for each of the students. It puts it into their Google Drive, into the folder named for the same class name. So in my case, first period, physics 1. So now we're going to select a topic. I select the 01 kinematics. I can check for plagiarism if I want to. And now I'm ready to assign this assignment. So now you can see the Buggy Lab Report is listed under the kinematics topic that we created. We can go back to the stream and we can look over to the left here, and it says upcoming assignments. We have a Buggy Lab Report that's due on Sunday. You can click on View All. You can see all the assignments that you have due in the coming week. And congratulations, you've now created your first assignment in Google Classroom.
If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, Cavi Coaches, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter